Oh, I need a break. This week was so stressful.
Tell me about it. Too many meetings.
My eyes hurt from looking at the screen.
Mine too. Laptop life is exhausting.
We need a change of scenery.
We need a small vacation. I have a plan. Oh, really? What is it? Let's pack our bags tonight and drive out tomorrow.
A road trip? Just like that?
Yes, to the beachside.
That sounds amazing, but that's a long drive.
We can manage. Good music, open roads.
Okay, I'm convinced. Let's pack the car tonight.
Perfect. What should we take?
Sunglasses and beach clothes.
Don't forget the camera.
It's already on the table.
Great. How about some snacks for the road?
I have chips, juice, and cupcakes.
Perfect. We are completely ready.
Wake up! The sun is shining!
Wow, you are up early today.
I am too excited to sleep.
Let me wash my face quickly.
Hurry up! The road is waiting!
Look outside. The weather is beautiful.
Yes, it is a perfect day for a drive.
Is everything in the car boot?
Yes, everything is packed. Let's go.
Put on some music.
Something energetic?
Yes, turn up the volume.
Look at the view outside.
It is so green here.
The air feels different away from the city.
It makes me feel so relaxed.
Are you tired of driving?
A little bit. My shoulders are stiff.
Let's take a break at the next cafe.
Good idea. I need a cold drink.
Look, there is a small shop ahead.
Let's pull over here.
Stretching feels so good.
The fresh juice here is amazing.
Are you ready to get back on the road?
Yes, let's finish the last milestone.
How much further now?
Just about 15 minutes.
Look, I can see the blue water.
Wow, the ocean looks endless.
We finally made it.
Park the car here. Let's run to the sand.
The water is so warm.
This is exactly what we needed.
Thank you for this idea.
Anytime. This is just the start of a great weekend.